Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are in the west side of Wichita today. We are at Strategic Remodel with the owner, Andrew Tanges. We're going to learn about all the great things they have here. And a lot of people are in their homes this time of the year, Thanksgiving and Christmas. They have some great solutions if you're looking for any remodel in your house. Andy, just tell us a little bit about Strategic Remodel, what you guys do.
So we are Strategic Remodel based out of Wichita, Kansas here. And we specialize in residential remodel. So anything from smaller things like bathrooms, kitchens, full home remodels, additions. We really focus on the residential side. That's where we've really found our niche, is working with customers and homeowners to help take their vision and their space and make that a reality.
Yeah, seeing the pictures of what you guys have done, man, everything just looks so beautiful and so well done whenever you guys are done with it. And a big aspect of what I love that you guys do is whenever you come in here, you have a huge showroom in here, and you can come and really feel and touch and see what would look good in your house. So tell us about this great space here.
So the showroom's really been really good for us, for, like you said, to come in and see the things. The going joke is you can come in and slam the doors and drawers, and see what kind of quality you're actually going to get with us. You can obviously see, I mean, we put this together as well. Also, we use the showroom for part of our process after we've been out to your house and we've done the measurements. We've talked over design ideas with you. We've got some inspiration pictures from you, things like that, really getting what your vision, like I said, for your space is. We bring it here, we get a 3D rendering, we put it up on the big screen right there.
Really?
Yeah, and so we can go over that, several options. Maybe you're like, well, do I want this wall here for my kitchen, or do I want to open it up to the living room, make a bigger space, open as in. Bathrooms, you know, where do you want the shower versus where you want the vanity, things like that. And we put a few different options up there, present it to you with your estimate, and just kind of go over that together as we're working through that process.
I feel like that's one of the most exciting parts of the process, is getting that vision and seeing maybe someone has some ideas, but you guys are also experts in this and you're going to be able to guide them in the right way.
For sure. I do this every day. So I can walk into your house and go, yeah, I can totally not see that wall there, right? Maybe you can't. So that's where the 3D stuff really helps get all of us on the same page and you guys able to see that in real life.
Yeah, I say that expertise you guys bring, no matter what project, whether it be bathroom, kitchen, living room, bedroom, all those are areas that you guys are going to come in and bring expertise in, correct?
Absolutely.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, tell us how people can get more information about you guys and where you guys are located. They can stop in and see this showroom.
Sure. So obviously the showroom, 711 North Mount Carmel, Wichita, Kansas. You can check us out online, which is remodelks.com. You can Google Strategic Remodel. If you're old school and you want to just give us a ring, 316-737-7568. And we'd be more than happy to get you going on whatever you got.
Awesome. Andy, keep up the great work, and thank you so much for your time today. We really appreciate it.
All right, sir. Appreciate it.
We have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.